Hope you are doing well. So in the last session, we saw how to update our models. What we did was we created this membership model or the class, and then we updated our database. So we got memberships as the table also in this. Okay. Now our next step is to populate this membership table with the relevant data. Now whatever the data is, that would be fixed for this table, right? Because we have only four kinds of membership, namely monthly, quarterly, half yearly, and annually. And this would be like constant through the all the environments, whether it is development, testing, or the production environment. So how to actually, you know, insert the data into this table? One way is to directly go and insert here. Like we right click and then go to show data table. Okay, and insert the values. But the problem with this approach is if we insert the values here, it would be relevant only to this development environment. And when we go for migrations and we generate script through the migration script, uh, in that script, this insert data script won't be generated. Okay, because this is only for local instance. So another approach is to use the SQL method, which is an up method in the migrations. When we create migration, we have two methods, right? Up and down. So in that up method, we have again this SQL method. So we need to make use of that. So let's see how to do the same. Okay, let's create an empty migration first. What we'll be doing is we'll write add migration and then the name of the migration. What shall we call this? We can call like add data to membership. Okay, this would create an empty migration. See, our empty migration is created. Why it is empty? Because we didn't change anything in our model after from the last migration which we created. Okay, so in this in this up method, we have a SQL method. Okay, in this we can write in our SQL code, and that would be running when we click on that update database. Okay, in our package manager console. So let's insert the data. So let's see what is the name of the table. The name of the table is memberships, and we have four columns in this: ID, membership charges, duration, and month. Okay, so we'll be writing in here insert, sorry, insert into membership memberships, and the column names ID, then membership charges, then its duration, and discount. All right, now we need to give the values of the same. So values, in values, let's give one as ID, membership charges, let's say 50 rupees for monthly, duration would be 1 month, and the discount rate would be, let's say, 10%. Okay, let's copy and paste this 3 times because we have 4 types of membership. Okay, now this is for month quarterly, so let's have it as 100, and the duration would be 3 months. The discount rate, let's say, 15%. Okay, this is for half yearly, 200 rupees, duration would be 6 months, and discount rate 20%. For yearly, 300, 12 months, and 25%. Okay, now in order to update this into database, what we'll be doing is we'll click on, we'll write update database. Right, this is what we have been doing from say past 2 to 3 videos, so you must be familiar with this by now. Let's click on enter. So right now we should be getting the values in this table. Okay, let's see the data. See, all the data is populated here. So what is the advantage of this approach? Um, Here we don't have to depend upon the environment. Whenever we create a migration with these data, it would be generated when we generate the script for these migration, and we don't have to actually go and manually add the data into the data table, all these tables into different environments. All right, so that's all for this video. Thank you.